One of China's strangest creatures lives here. The Chinese giant salamander has hardly changed since the Jurassic period over 170 million years ago. Growing up to 6 feet long, it's the largest amphibian in the world. This female has tiny eyes and poor vision, relying instead on smell, touch, and sensing vibrations to get around. She spends most of her life underwater, absorbing oxygen through her skin. Folds increase the surface area, maximizing the process. Although revered for centuries in China, illegal hunting and habitat destruction has left these creatures critically endangered in the wild. For the few who remain, remote forest streams like this